Assuming that's the blinker. No idea what that does. No idea what that does. You can see here gears for this. And this is for high, low. I'm assuming this has to do with that. Assuming that's the brake. Let's see if it starts. What if I take does the key come out on this thing? Or is it rusted? I think it's just rust. But this thing has not many miles on it. I don't have any tools, so I'm not really able. I'm assuming this does something. This too. I don't know. These mechanisms are wrong because I'm not a trained boy. Content, but got a plow on it, not flower. Neighbors, no, but this possibly for that, but I don't know how the heck that works. And they got this is this. Wow. But this thing, look, I think both of these are pretty much junk, but the tires are probably dead. Check tire pressure tractors. This tire looks pretty bad, but okay. I just noticed a couple more levers. There's that one, and there's this one, but I'm not sure what any of these do. Okay. Okay, we're gonna keep that in the middle. And so this might, so second, no. Wait, so